Hello everyone, my name is Neha and today I will be presenting my project titled Introduction to Computer Programming. This project is designed to test both my understanding and my practical application of fundamental programming concepts in Python. And about the project, I have worked on a variety of topics including data types, indexing, slicing operators, inbuilt function, statements, conditional loops, object-oriented programming, and exception handling. I have also uh, implemented conditional statement like if, elif, and else, and different types of loops such as for the while loops, including some advanced looping techniques. Additionally, this project include tasks based on object-oriented programming, where I have created two classes and object, and exception handling, where I have used try and except blocks to handle error and gracefully. My introduction to Python programming. And the first problem is called scoreboard operator. In this task, an operator who manages the scoreboard of an inter-cohort amateur cricket tournament needs to update the total number of points for Team London. According to the tournament rules, each wins 3 points and draw 1 point, losses 0 points. Team London had played 8 matches in this tournament. They won 4 matches and lost 3 matches and draw one. The challenge is to calculate the total number of points using Python. To solve this problem, I break into three parts. Simple steps. Define your fixed value, wins 3, draw 1, losses 0. Calculate the total points gained by Team London. Total points is equal to 4 into win points plus 1 into draw points plus 3 into losses points. Now, bring the variable London points. Finally, I submit these results to get the total points and printed the final scores. Uh, then a nutrition bar ingredient chart. Imagine I'm data analyst at a nutrition bar manufacturing company. The nutrition bar contains 45 grams of raisins, 65 gram of almonds, and 30 gram of apricots. The goal is to calculate the percentage composition of each ingredient in the nutrition bar using Python. To solve the problem, I followed these steps. First, I stored the weight of ingredient. Calculate the percentage of regions and print the variables. Regions is equal to 45, almonds is 65, and apricots is 30. First, I store the weight of each ingredient in variables. Then I calculated the percentage of almonds uh, is equal to almonds of regions is into 100. Then it print If we then calculate the percentage of apricots and print the variables, percentage of apricots is equal to apricots upon variance is equal to 100. Then print uh, 66 upon 66, it is answer. Then move is next is data types in Python. Solving algebra the cool way. The third problem is called solving algebra the cool way. This here I am asked to evaluate a quadratic function using Python instead of solving it manually. The Python function is fx is equal to x square plus 3x minus 4. We need to calculate the value of x is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 2, and x is equal to 4. Instead of doing tedious manually calculation, Python can quickly solve it for us. Calculate the value of the function fx at x is equal to 3, then print. Calculate the value of the function fx at x is equal to minus 2, function evaluated at minus 2 is equal, minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Calculate the value of the function fx at x is equal to 4, function evaluated at 4 is equal to 4. Then finally, I checked if any of the function value were equal to 0, uh, which would mean the value of x is a root of equation. Then I move next steps. Indexing and slicing. Uh, in this problem, I was asked to work with a list of marble characters. The task included slicing the last 6 characters, creating 2 superhero teams based on index positions, slicing part of string, and finally reversing a string using Python slicing feature. Slicing the last 6 characters. Here is I want to narrow down the list of the 6 characters in this list. These characters are Never, Doctor Strange, uh, Wolverine, Captain America, Black Widow, Thor. Write a code to slice each the characters from the list. Replace X with appreciate value. New marvels is equal to marble words and minus 6 in the numeric marvel like uh, Thor, Black Widow, Captain America, Wolverine, Doctor Strange, and Never. And here, here I used negative indexing minus 6 in Python. Negative indexing allows you to start counting from the end of the list. So minus 6 gives me the last 6 elements of the uh, list. When I print it, I get Thor, Black Widow, Captain America, Wolverine, Doctor Strange, and Never. Then creating 2 teams, even and odd indexing. Team 1 is equal to marble words, 0 ratio, and appreciate index and step size. And this is a next. I creating two teams. Team one consist of characters of even index position, which I achieved using slicing with step size 2, uh, 0 ratio 2. Team 2 consists of character of odd index position achieving using 1 and ratio 2. This way, I separated the list into two different teams. And next third is creating two teams. Store the word Spider-Man in the new variables and slashing the word spider from it. Spider-Man is equal to Marvel words. Word index. Spider sliced Spider-Man 0 ratio 6. Then print Spider sliced spider. What to say now? I X the word Spider-Man from the list using the index, then I applied slicing 0 ratio 6, which means take character starting from index 0 up to, but not indexing. Index is 6, that gives me the substring spider. Store the word Iron Man in a variable and use reverse indexing to reverse it. Iron Man is equal to Marvel words is 0 and reversed man is equal to Iron Man, then -1 print reversed man. Finally, I stored the word Iron Man in a variable and applied slashing with a step size of -1, which reversed the string, so Iron Man becomes then here. The next is operators in data types. In this exercise, I work with different types of mathematical operators in Python to calculate the area, volume, and quotient and remainder. The Python code is uh, area square is equal to 5 into 5. Volume cube is 12 cube. To find the area of the square with side 5 centimeter, I multiplied side into side using the operators. So 5 into 5 is equal to 25 square centimeter. Then volume code 12 cube. Volume cube is equal to 12 cube. Print and print volume cube. Next, to calculate the volume of a cube with side 12 centimeter, I use the exponent operator. Here 12 cube means 12 into 12 into 12. Then it's equal to 1728 cubic centimeter. Then quotient and remainder. This I divided 10 by 4 using floor division. Got the quotient using is 2 using method percent. I got the remainder which is 2 as uh, well. So 4 feet into 10 2 times with 2 left over. This problem shows how Python operators help us Quotient calculate mathematical result like area, value, and quotient and remainder in just a few lines of code.